Next question number 6. Balance the following chemical equations. Nitric acid react with calcium hydroxide, gives calcium nitrate and water. B. Sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid, gives sodium sulfate and water. C. Sodium chloride react with silver nitrate, gives silver chloride and sodium nitrate. D. Barium chloride react with sulfuric acid, gives barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. So let us balance one by one. Get ready. Right. A. Nitric acid react with calcium hydroxide, gives calcium nitrate and water. So it's a very easy to balance the chemical equation. Listen carefully. Here nitrate ions are 2. Nitrate ions are 2. Here nitrate ion 1. So multiply this with 2. Total hydrogens 2 and 2. Here only 2 hydrogens. Place here 2. So it's a balanced chemical equation. Let us check. Hydrogens 2 are 2. Total 4. Nitrogens 2. Calcium 1. Oxygens 2 into 3 6. 2 8. From this side hydrogens 2 into 2 4. Nitrogen 2. Calcium 1. Oxygens 3 into 6 plus 2 8 is a balanced chemical equation. Make a note. B. Sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid, gives sodium sulfate and water. This is a neutralization reaction because of it's a base and acid gives salt plus water. Right. Listen to me. Look at this. Sodium atoms are 2. Here sodium atoms 1. So it multiply with 2. Hydrogens 2 and 2. Total 4 multiply with 2. This is a balanced chemical equation. So let us check. Sodium atoms 2. Hydrogens 4. Oxygens 2. 2. 6. Sulfur atom 1. From this side sodium 2. Hydrogen 4. Oxygen 4. 6. Sulfur 1. It's a balanced equation. Copy this. Next one. Sodium chloride combined with silver nitrate gives silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. It is a precipitation reaction. It is a white precipitate. Silver chloride is a white precipitate. Double displacement reaction at the same time precipitation reaction. Let us check. Sodium 1, sodium 1. Chlorine 1, chlorine 1. Silver 1, silver 1. Nitrogen 1, nitrogen 1. Oxygen 3, oxygen 3. It's balanced chemical equation. No need to balance this one. Right? So write down this is a balanced equation. Balanced equation. Next, barium chloride with sulfuric acid give barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. This is also double displacement reaction at the same time precipitation reaction. Here barium sulfate is a white precipitate. White precipitate. Barium sulfate is a white precipitate. Right. Let us check. Here hydrogens 2, here 1. Chlorine here 2, here 1. It's multiply with 2. Then you will get balanced chemical equation. Let us check. Barium 2, chlorines 2, hydrogens 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. Here barium, barium 1, barium 1, chlorines 2, hydrogens 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. It's a balanced chemical equation. Make a note. Question number 7. Write the balanced chemical equations for the following reaction. A. Calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate and water. B. Zinc reacts with silver nitrate gives zinc nitrate and silver. C. Aluminum reacts with copper chloride give aluminum chloride and copper. D. Barium chloride reacts with potassium sulfate give barium sulfate and potassium chloride. Right? In seventh question A, calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate and water. Now let us write the chemical formula for this. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium ion Ca2 plus hydroxide and OH minus. 1, 2. Calcium hydroxide. Right here calcium hydroxide. CaOH taken twice. Calcium hydroxide also called slackline, also called lime water. Aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide is considered as lime water. Plus carbon dioxide formula CO2. Carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate, calcium ion Ca2 plus carbonate CO3 2 minus equal in magnitude, so no need to crisscross, directly write CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water chemical formula you must have known, that is H2O. Water chemical formula H2O. Listen carefully, it's a test to identify carbon dioxide gas. When carbon dioxide passes through the lime water, the colorless or transparent lime water becomes milky white. So with the help of this test, we can check whether the given or evolved gas is carbon dioxide or not. Now let us balance. Here calcium 1, oxygens 2, total 4, oxygens 3 here and 1. Total. Let us check. Calcium 1, oxygens 4, hydrogens 2 and carbon 1. From this side, calcium 1, oxygens 3 plus 1, 4, hydrogens 2, carbon 1. It's already balanced chemical equation. No need to balance the equation. Is it clear to you? Make a note. Next one, zinc react with silver nitrate gives zinc nitrate and silver. So zinc symbol Zn, silver nitrate, silver ion Ag plus, nitrate ion NO3 minus. You should write AgNO3 silver nitrate. Zinc nitrate, zinc ion Zn2 plus, whereas nitrate ion NO3 minus. 1, 2. ZnNO3 taken twice, zinc nitrate, silver nitrate and zinc element. Next one is silver. Silver is Ag. So let us substitute these all in this name of the reactants and elements. So zinc is Zn plus silver nitrate AgNO3 AgNO3 gives zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate formula ZnNO3 taken twice zinc nitrate plus silver. Now balance the equation. Very simple one. The nitrate ions 2 here 1. So silver nitrate must be multiplied with 2. Silver here 2, silver here 1. So place here 2. Zinc 1, zinc 1 is a balanced chemical equation. Let us check. Zinc here 1, silver 2, nitrogens 2, oxygen 6. In this side, zinc 1, silver 2, nitrogens 2, oxygens 6. Balanced chemical equation. What kind of reaction it is? It's a displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction or displacement reaction. So displacement reaction means highly reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its solution. It's a displacement reaction. Here zinc is highly reactive. When zinc coin is dropped in silver nitrate solution, so silver is replaced by zinc because zinc is more reactive than silver. Make a note. Next, see in 7th question, aluminum when dropped in copper chloride will get aluminum chloride and copper. Let us frame the chemical formulas and symbol. Aluminum symbol Al. Second one is copper chloride. Copper Cu2 plus chloride Cl minus 1 2 CuCl2 copper chloride. Third one aluminum chloride. Let me write here aluminum chloride. Al3 plus aluminum chloride Cl minus 1 3 AlCl3. Next fourth one is copper. Copper symbol Cu. So let us substitute these all in the names of the reactants and products or symbols. Okay, right. First one is aluminum. Aluminum symbol Al. Copper chloride CuCl2 gives aluminum chloride AlCl3 plus copper. Right? Here chlorine 2 or chlorine 3. It should multiply with 2 and it should multiply with 3. Copper become 3, aluminum 2. Let us check. Aluminum 2, copper 3, chlorine 6. From this side, aluminum 2, copper 3, chlorine 6. Is it clear? The balanced chemical equation. Make a note. Barium chloride with potassium sulfate gives barium sulfate and potassium chloride. Right. First of all, let us frame the chemical formula. First one is barium chloride. Barium ion formula Ba2 plus chloride Cl minus. Barium chloride. Second one is potassium sulfate. Potassium K plus ion, sulfate SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. 2 1. K2SO4 potassium sulfate. Third one will be barium sulfate. Barium Ba2 plus sulfate SO4 2 minus. Both are equal in magnitude. No need to crisscross. Directly write barium sulfate. Next fourth one is potassium chloride. Potassium K plus chloride Cl minus. Directly should write KCl. Right. So these are the reactants and products formulas. Now let us replace the names of the reactants and products with their formulas. Barium chloride formula. Yes, good. BaCl2. Potassium sulfate K2SO4 gives barium sulfate BaSO4 plus potassium chloride KCl. It's a double displacement reaction, at the same time precipitation reaction. Here barium sulfate will be the white precipitate. White precipitate. Let us balance the equation. Potassium here 2, here 1, multiplied 2. Chlorine 2, barium 1, potassium 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. Let us check. Barium 1, chlorine 2, potassium 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. From this side, barium 1, chlorine 2, potassium 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. It's a balanced chemical equation. This is a double displacement reaction, at the same time precipitation reaction. Make a note. Question number 8. Write the balanced chemical equations for the following reactions and identify the type of reaction in each case. A. Potassium bromide plus barium iodide gives potassium iodide and barium bromide. B. Zinc carbonate on heating gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen react with chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. D. Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Right. Question number 8A. So let us write the equation and find out what kind of reaction it is. Potassium bromide reacts with barium iodide gives potassium iodide and barium bromide. First of all, let us frame the chemical formula of reactants and products. Later on, let us write equation, balanced equation, and find out the what kind of reaction it is. Get ready, students. So potassium ion K plus, bromide Br minus. Both are equal in magnitude, so no need to crisscross. Directly you can write KBr, potassium bromide. This is a chemical formula for potassium bromide. Next, barium iodide. Barium ion Ba2 plus, iodide I minus. Here 1, 2. BaI2. Barium iodide. Next one, potassium iodide. Potassium K plus, iodide ion I minus. No need to crisscross. Directly should write Ki. Potassium iodide. Next one, barium bromide. Barium Ba2 plus, bromide Br minus. So let me write here BaBr2, barium bromide. So these are the chemical formulas for the reactant and products in the given reaction. So let us replace these names with a chemical formula. Make a note. So please learn the ions. If you know the ions, you will be able to write or frame number of chemical formulae yourself. Right. Now, let us substitute all the formulae in the place of their chemical names. So potassium bromide KBr plus barium iodide BaI2 gives what kind of reaction it is? It is a, let me write here, KBr BaI2. It's a double displacement reaction. How can you say that? Exchanging of ions taking place. Here KBr split up into K plus and Br minus, whereas barium iodide split up into Ba2 plus and 2I minus. Exchanging of ions taking place. So what is double displacement reaction? Those reactions in which two substances react, give new substances by exchanging of their ions. So positively charged ion of potassium bromide combined with negative charged ion of barium iodide, and this one is combined with this. Then you will get barium bromide, BaBr2 barium bromide plus potassium iodide. To balance this, we need to multiply the KBr with 2. Because of to neutralize one barium ion, we require 2 bromide ion. At the same time, 2 iodide ions here. To neutralize 2 iodide ions, we require 2 potassium ions. So we need to multiply this with 2. So this is a balanced chemical equation. So what kind of reaction it is? Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Make a note of it. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Right. Copy that. Next, B1. In 8th question B. Zinc carbonate gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. So let us frame the chemical formula. Zinc carbonate, zinc ion Zn2 plus carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. Both are equal in magnitude. No need to crystal. Directly should write ZnCO3, zinc carbonate. Next one, zinc oxide, zinc ion Zn2 plus, whereas oxide ion O2 minus. No need to crystal. Directly should write ZnO, zinc oxide. Next one, carbon dioxide formula will be CO2. These are the chemical formulae required to write balanced equation for this. Okay, right. Zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate on heating gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means single reactant split up into two or more products by utilizing energy, by absorbing energy, is called decomposition reaction. Especially this is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition, because here zinc carbonate splits into zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide on heating. So it's a one of the example of thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Make a note. Next, see in eighth question. Hydrogen react with chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen formula H2. We should not write H because of hydrogen always exists in diatomic form. Chlorine formula Cl2. Hydrogen chloride formula hydrogen ion H plus chloride ion Cl minus dihydroxide HCl. This is a formula of hydrogen chloride. So now let us write the equation. Hydrogen react with chlorine gives hydrogen chloride HCl. Here hydrogens are 2, here hydrogen 1. So it's multiplied with 2. So this is a balanced chemical equation. But what kind of reaction it is? It is a combination reaction. Please make a note of it. Combination reaction. Combination reaction. Not only that, it is a redox reaction as well. How it is possible? Listen to me. Here hydrogen oxidation state 0, chlorine also 0. Here hydrogen in plus 1 state, chlorine minus state. Hydrogen 0 to plus 1, increment in oxidation state is oxidation. Chlorine 0 to minus 1 decrement is reduction. Reduction and oxidation occur simultaneously, so that's why it is called a redox reaction. It is a redox reaction and at the same time combination reaction. So not only that, here, so hydrogen convert into HCl, that means chlorine is added. So chlorine is electronegative element. Addition of electronegative element is called oxidation. Here hydrogens are added. So addition of hydrogen to any substance is reduction. So it's a redox reaction, at the same time combination reaction. So you will get the question in the examination. Give one example of chemical reaction which is combination as well as redox. This is the best example. Make a note, my dears. Question number 8D. Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So let us frame the chemical formula. Magnesium symbol EMG. Hydrogen chloride, already I said HCl. Next one, magnesium chloride, magnesium ion Mg2 plus chloride Cl minus 1 2 MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Next one is hydrogen gas, so H2. So these are the chemical formula of reactants and products in the given reaction. So magnesium Mg, hydrogen chloride HCl. So magnesium chloride MgCl2, hydrogen gas H2. So now let us substitute these formulae in the equation. Right? Magnesium metal when dropped in hydrochloric acid HCl, you will get magnesium chloride MgCl 2 plus hydrogen. What kind of reaction it is? Let me balance first of all. So Mg magnesium react with hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So what kind of reaction it is? Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction also called single displacement. Single displacement. It's a single displacement meant, or simply you can call displacement reaction. What is meant by displacement? So in displacement reaction, highly reactive element displaces less reactive element from its substance or compound. Here hydrogen is replaced by magnesium because magnesium is highly reactive than hydrogen. So single displacement reaction also considered as displacement reaction. Not only that, it is a redox reaction. Please make a note of it. It's a redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction because of magnesium. Here magnesium oxidation state 0. Here magnesium plus 2. So 0 to plus 2 increment in oxidation state is oxidation. Here hydrogen plus 1 to 0. Hydrogen plus 1 to 0 decrement reduction. So those reactions in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously is called redox reaction. This is a redox reaction. At the same time, it's an exothermic reaction. Make a note of it. Exothermic reaction. So generally metals react with acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas. The reaction between metals and acids highly exothermic reaction. Some amount of heat energy is generated during the reaction. So this reaction is an example of displacement or single displacement, redox reaction and exothermic as well.